This 2024 Grand Design Solitude 390RK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 43 feet 11 inches in length and features a DUSK interior, sleeps 6, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, skylight, spare tire kit, TV, oven, external shower, water heater, awning, LP detector, and 81 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Solitude 390RK is 15,206 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.